Hi, I just wanted to talk to you today about a couple of things that have been happening in my business. I guess it's about 3 weeks ago now. The owners have rolled out a whole new upgrade of the systems that run our business, the Home Business Academy. And they have done all of this without an upgrade in cost to us as affiliates, without a change in our commissions, our residual commissions and our regular commissions. And in fact, they've made the system so that it will do a lot of our helping to create upgrades to our business automatically. They have put into it a lot of things that are really unique. First of all, they took the system and they consolidated everything. All our products, a couple of our products were outside the main programming of the business, and they put it all together in one place. We used to have 7 logins. Now we have reduced that to 2. We have now a system where if I sell you a product, and you have to own all the products to get the commissions if you sell it. If I sold you a product, you sold it to somebody else, but they bought another product, but you didn't have it, the system would automatically ask you, do you want to get the commission on this? And then they would help you upgrade so that you get the commission. That is done repeatedly, and it's also helping everybody to become all in the company. All in means that you own all the products so that you benefit from all the products. We have 4 products. We have a Let's Go, which is a planning and a personal development app for $10, and you get an $8 commission. We have a funnel builder for $25, and you get a $20 commission. We have what we call premium, which is basically traffic and conversion training, and that is $125 a month, and you make $100 on everyone you sell to somebody else. Those are all residual commissions, monthly commissions. And we also have the Financial Literacy Academy, which is a one-time product. If you buy it when you get in, it's $500 for the first 7 days. And then after that, it goes to $1,000. And so if you got a commission on the $500, you get $400. On $1,000, you get $800. But periodically, they offer it to people that have not bought it initially, and they offer it to you for $600 instead of the $1,000. The company also put into it our own social media group so that we can see what people have done. We can be encouraged to encourage others. We can be encouraged by others. We can say, hey, great to make that commission, or great to upgrade, or we're glad to have you. And so when you're all in, when you own all the products too, you also have some other bonuses. One very cool thing is you get a daily, through the week, Monday through Friday, there's videos that are by big 6- and 7-figure earners that give you little tips and trainings on different things to do to improve your business and to help you. So those are the things that I just wanted to share with you. I'm going to put in this video a couple of links for you to look at and to get started if you're interested. I'm 78 years old, and I have been in the Home Business Academy's auspices for about 4 years now. And it's got a great community on the traffic and conversion portion of our business. We have 7 Zoom meetings and 5 telephone calls a week. The calls are more of like an encouragement type calls, but the others are you watch people work, and if you have questions, they're answered at the end of each Zoom meeting. So I just wanted to share that today and put this little video out. I want to encourage people, if you're like me, you want to make some extra money in retirement, we're here to help you, and we're here to help show you how to do it. That's all I have to say for today. Leave me a note if you have any comments or if you have any questions, and I will be glad to help you in any way I can. Thank you so much, and you have a nice day.